Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have a highly anticipated motherboard to review, the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Master X. This motherboard is packed with features and is designed for the next generation of Intel processors. We'll dive deep into its specs, performance, and see if it's worth your hard-earned money. Let's start with an overview. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Master X is a high-end motherboard with a ton of features. It's designed for Intel's 13th and next-gen processors, and it supports DDR5 memory. The board boasts a commanding power design with a 20+1+2 phase VRM solution, ensuring stable power delivery. Now, let's talk about the design and build quality. The motherboard is built like a tank, and it's easy to work with. It has a sleek and modern look with RGB lighting support. The VRM thermal armor fins array and M.2 thermal guard contribute to an efficient thermal design. Connectivity is a crucial aspect of any motherboard. The Z790 AORUS Master X doesn't disappoint in this department. It features 5 M.2 slots, including one PCIe 5.0x4 for ultra-fast storage. You'll also find a 10 GB LAN and Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast network connections. Plus, there are multiple USB ports and even Thunderbolt support. Fine-tuning your system is essential for enthusiasts, and this motherboard has you covered. It supports RGB Fusion 2.0 for customizable lighting, and you can use addressable LED and RGB LED strips to personalize your setup. Smart Fan 6 ensures efficient cooling, and the Q-Flash Plus feature allows you to update the BIOS without needing a CPU, memory, or GPU installed. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty, performance. This motherboard, paired with the right components, delivers outstanding performance. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user, it can handle your needs with ease. It's worth noting that it supports the latest DDR5 memory technology, which can significantly boost your system's speed. Before we move forward, let's take a look at what users are saying about this motherboard. Based on reviews, many users are pleased with its performance and build quality. However, there have been reports of bent CPU socket pins, so it's essential to inspect your motherboard upon receipt. One significant concern to be aware of is the reported issues with the 10 GB network adapter. Several users have experienced subpar performance and network adapter freezing during heavy usage. It's essential to keep this in mind if you plan to use the 10 GB feature extensively. The GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Master X comes at a premium price point, but it's packed with features that justify the cost. If you're looking for a high-end motherboard for your Intel 13th or next-gen processor, it's certainly worth considering. If you're exploring alternatives, there are other motherboards on the market worth checking out. Asus, MSI, and other brands offer competitive options. It's essential to compare features, performance, and pricing to find the best fit for your needs. In conclusion, the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Master X is a powerhouse of a motherboard with a robust feature set. It's designed for enthusiasts and offers excellent performance, provided you don't encounter the 10 GB network issues. If you can overlook that potential concern and are willing to invest in a premium motherboard, this could be a great choice for your next PC build. That's it for today's review of the GIGABYTE Z790 AORUS Master X. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.